All right now.
The ink is black, the page is white. Together we learn to read and write.
Okay. All right, so we got Three Dog Night with Black and White. Okay, so maybe this is a song Michael Jackson remix from. But anyway, been a while since we had the boys on the channel. I still see a lot of comments for the Three Dog Night video that we did over a year ago. So it really pulled me to go back and explore some more of their discography for that audience as well. But also, I'm just genuinely interested in more Three Dog Night. So with that being said, we're going to jump into it. Let's get it.
A child is black, a child is white. The whole world looks upon the sight, a beautiful sight. And now a child can understand that this is the law of all the land, all the land. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. A child is black, a child is white. Together they grow to see the light, to see the light. And now at last we'll plainly see they'll have a dance of liberty.
Yeah, this is definitely a song of like social commentary right here. It seems like not the I'll leave it for the end of the video. I'll leave it for the end of the video. This one might be shorter. But yeah, this is definitely a social commentary type of track.
Plainly see they'll have a dance of liberty. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. A child is black, a child is white.
That's homie's ring, man.
Upon the side, a beautiful sight. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. A child is black, a child is white. Together they grow to see the light, to see the light. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. The child is black, the child is white. The whole world looks upon the side, the beautiful side. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. The child is black, the child is white. Together they grow to see the light, to see the light.
You know, when I'm listening to the hook, like I'm just thinking the world is black, the world is white. It goes by days, go by night. If I misunderstand that, my bad. But it's a child is black, child is white. They go together to see the light. If I got that right. I think I wonder if it's like kind of some kind of color commentary on the neutrality of the world, or because black and white has no color. But he also said they go to black and white children go together to see the light. So is that more of like a double entendre for something I'm not catching right now? You know? It's a good song. It's a good song. Definitely color commentary, no pun intended. So so I'm assuming the song is a little bit about the healing of the races. If we come together, we can see the light. And you know, but there's also like a double entendre as well, because you know, the world isn't only black and white. You need knowledge to see the light. So the world in this black and white ignorance is at a standstill, kind of. You can't see color, but together we can come together and despite our differences, we can cooperate and build a better world for future generations. And I think a lot of that, we always talk about with songs like this, like in the 70s, how it seemed like things were kind of coming together. And now it's not, you know, and it seemed to be more dissected by the time the 80s came around. So it seemed like it's inevitable that the world gonna do this. But at the same time, everything can coexist without each other. You know what I'm saying? And I think most of the artists of the 70s, they wanted some type of healing between the races, because this is the civil rights generation right here. This is the baby boomers, the silent generation right here. They grew up and they saw all that. They saw the assassinations. They saw most of the 27 Club. Like, they saw a lot. They saw a lot, man. And they like, look, by the time they got in their mid-20s, they already 55 years old, man. They got the perspective of a man that's 55, 60 years old, and they like, look, man, we got to hear this thing. You know what I'm saying? So I like the song. I wish it was more lyrics to it. It just seems more like an anthem to me. So with that being said, post your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Want to see more 3 Dog Night? Hit the like button, subscribe. If you got one reaction I need to do and you need to have it, go to the Buy Me a Coffee donation link. All right. Make your request known. 3 coffee minimum rules are in the description on Buy Me a Coffee website. Okay. So catch you guys at another one. All right. Peace.